What's up guys, welcome to back new another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix ZArchiver Access is Denied. Okay, let's start it. Follow my whole step. Now first your phone settings. Now click your phone settings, scroll down. Now click your apps. Now search ZArchiver. Now click ZArchiver, scroll down. Now click storage. Now click clear cache. Now click clear data. Now click delete. Now click permission. Now click permission. Go back. Now your Google Play Store. Now click Google Play Store. Now search ZArchiver. Now click ZArchiver. Now your upgrade ZArchiver. My ZArchiver is already updated. Now your phone restart. Now click your phone restart by doing your process. And thanks for watching my video and subscribe now my channel.